So naturally, I put it off until I have no other choice but to do it. You spend so much time cleaning your house just for it to get messy again. I just don't have the time to properly clean my house. You don't have to choose between a busy life and a clean home. That's what the Clean Mama says. Oh yeah? What else does this Clean Mama say? The Clean Mama says to begin by understanding the 4 components of the Clean Mama routine. Number 1, this method should only take you 30 minutes a day. 30 minutes? That doesn't seem bad at all. Number 2, no more being overwhelmed. Number 3, you can start wherever you are. Whatever day lands on today is a day that you can start. I think this component is huge to me because it's easy to say I'll start tomorrow. Who, me? The Clean Mama tries to reduce that by saying on whatever day is today, you can start. And within a week, the whole entire system will be complete. And number 4, start with what you have. You don't have to buy anything fancy or spend a bunch of money on products. You can start with exactly what you have. With this cleaning method, there are 5 weekly tasks, daily tasks, rotating tasks, and monthly focus tasks. But for this video, I only do the weekly and daily cleaning tasks because I'm a work in progress. And I think the Clean Mama would completely stand behind that. To start with the daily tasks, I used her free printable calendar to keep track of them. And then I was able to check them off. There's something super satisfying about checking a task off and having a sense of accomplishment.
The first daily task is to make the beds. Easy enough. Does anyone else's husband or partner seem to destroy the bed? My husband is such a blanket hog and manages to even kick blankets completely off the bed at times. I personally love having a bed made, but I don't always do it. I get distracted in the morning and I just don't make it a priority. The Clean Mama suggests that you do it every morning, and it only took a couple of minutes. And for me, the great feeling you get climbing into an already made bed at night made this daily task so worth it.
It's Monday here for the Clean Mama routine, and my next thing on my checklist is to check the floors. I'm checking them, but I'm not liking what I'm seeing.
Thanks to my beautiful children, my floors need cleaned a lot. This morning we played with Play-Doh. My daughter was making popcorn out of the Play-Doh. Oh, and it popped everywhere. How realistic and creative she is. Thankfully, though, this task really isn't necessary every day. The Clean Mama only suggests to check the floors daily and vacuum or sweep when needed. The third daily task is to wipe the counters. This is my favorite daily task, even if it might not be sane to pick a cleaning task as your favorite. Anyway, I love how it is something so little that seems to make the house look so clean. My last house had dark counters, and crumbs were camouflaged right in. So I could skip on wiping the counters, and no one would know. But no, not with these white counters. Drop a drip or 2 of coffee, and the counters look like I haven't washed them in days. While I wiped the counters, I also did some dishes and cleaned out the sink, because to me, it's a combined task. The fourth daily task is to tackle clutter. Clutter, clutter, clutter. This is my biggest issue when it comes to keeping a clean house. There's clutter here, clutter there, clutter everywhere. There's no way all clutter can be tackled in one day. At least not in my house. Just as Mount Everest cannot be climbed in one day.
Let me in on your secret, if you don't have clutter in your home.
But since the Clean Mama has it in the daily tasks, it may be easier to keep up on daily rather than letting it pile up, like I do. I find clutter is a lot easier to manage if everything has a place. One thing that seems to accumulate is my daughter's school projects. I love looking at them and I don't want them ruined, but I also don't want them piling up on the counter. I used an old binder from college to organize all of her work so it's nicely and neatly stored.
The last daily task is to do a daily load of laundry. This is my least favorite task. You know, because it's laundry. So naturally, I put it off until I have no other choice but to do it. The problem is, then it becomes such a time-consuming task. And then it's more dreadful.
For Monday, I didn't wash laundry, but I folded all the laundry I did over the weekend, which was a lot. I also put it away. The Clean Mama suggests to put the laundry away when you fold it. On Tuesday, I was so exhausted of the laundry I did on Monday that I actually skipped Tuesday. But every other day, I did do a load of laundry. And I'm not gonna lie, it was nice to not disappoint my toddler since her favorite rainbow pants were cleaned more regularly. But doing laundry every day is just not for me. My washer and dryer are in the basement, and our bedrooms are upstairs. Carrying laundry up and down 2 flights of stairs every day is not something I can adjust to.
Now, after you complete your daily tasks, each day there is an assigned weekly task. I honestly prefer doing the weekly tasks a lot more than the daily tasks. But honestly, it's probably because it's just one and done on each day.
For Monday, the cleaning task is the bathrooms. And as everyone knows, Mondays can be a dreadful day of the week, so it only seems natural to clean the bathrooms on Mondays. I use vinegar and an all-purpose cleaner in most areas of the bathroom, but I do use a bleach cleaner on the toilet. I think people enjoy cleaning the bathroom as much as they enjoy changing the toilet paper roll, but honestly, I prefer to front load work, so getting the sometimes most time-consuming task out of the way on Monday made me feel sort of accomplished. Happy Monday! Just practicing the cleaning mama routine. And to give you a couple funny bathroom jokes, why didn't the toilet paper cross the road? Duh, it got stuck in the crack. Poop jokes aren't my favorite, but they're a solid number 2. Tuesday, the clean mama wants you to dust, which for me was really easy. The only problem is I usually forget to dust. So with her cleaning routine, it implements dusting every Tuesday. This should help keep me from having a farm of dust bunnies around the house. I even went above and beyond and dusted in places I normally wouldn't, like where the wall meets the ceiling. Whoever dusts there? Me on Tuesday. For Wednesday, the Clean Mama weekly task is to vacuum. I usually vacuum more than once a week since I have little ones, so I can imagine this could be easily pushed on to another day if you just vacuumed on Tuesday after doing the Clean Mama daily task of checking the floors. But since I vacuum frequently, I decided to step it up and vacuum the stairs as well as all of the other carpets. And in my last video, I cleaned out my vacuum cleaner so my vacuum was working in its best condition. Unfortunately, my carpets do not show the satisfying vacuuming lines, but they were definitely all cleaner. For Thursday, the Clean Mama's weekly task is to wash the floors, which you can't do without sweeping first. That would be like eating Oreos after brushing your teeth. My mom actually let me borrow her steamer recently, and I've been eager to try it and deep clean my tile floors. I usually use a bucket, all-purpose cleaner, and an old rag, but this steamer made cleaning my floors a breeze. I might have to get one of my own. Look at all that dirt that the steamer picked up. Ugh.
For Friday, it's a catch-all day, meaning you can catch up on a task you might have had to skip earlier in the week on Friday. But for the sake of this video especially, I kept up on her daily, weekly tasks. Therefore, I skipped ahead to Saturday and did the Saturday task on Friday.
Saturday's Clean Mama weekly task is to wash all the sheets and towels. Hello, laundry again. I wish my banking account filled up as fast as my laundry basket. If they ran parallel, it would make laundry a whole lot more tolerable. And does anyone else do twists and flips over their bed as a shortcut? No, just me. But I have to admit, there's nothing quite like climbing into a bed with clean sheets. I also made sure to go around my house and pull down all my hand towels and replace them with new ones. I think this can be an easily forgotten task if the towels do not get visibly messy.
And Sundays are a day for resting, which for me actually was Saturday and Sunday since I used that catch-all Friday to do Saturday's task. This allowed me to spend extra time with my kiddos, which is really how I like to spend my weekends. So as a recap for the week, the things that I really enjoyed about the Clean Mama's routine is that my house felt a whole lot cleaner.
And
it was nice climbing into a nicely made bed every night. The things I didn't like though was the L word. You know, laundry every day. Daily laundry is just not for me. And I spent a lot more time cleaning every day, like an hour and a half worth of cleaning every day. I'm willing to give the Clean Mama routine some more time, but I'm not certain that it's the cleaning routine for me. If you've tried the Clean Mama routine, I would love to hear what your honest opinion was down in the comments below. And let me know of any cleaning routines that you've tried and loved.